With more than 2 billion users, YouTube is an amazing platform to consume video content. Pero no todo se trata de videos chistosos de gatos y de chismes de celebridades. YouTube is in fact a great tool for those who, like you, want to learn Spanish. Soy Paulísima de Spring Spanish y en este video vamos a explorar how to make the best out of the time that you spend on YouTube para aprender español. 1. Suscribirte a este canal. Lo primero que tienes que hacer es suscribirte a este canal. And of course, you can subscribe as well to other channels where they teach Spanish that you like. It's very important that you subscribe so YouTube knows that you're interested in this content and it can recommend you similar content. Aquí en Spring Spanish ya hemos hecho videos con recomendaciones de canales. Check out the one that Cory made right here. Muchos de los canales de YouTube para aprender español ofrecen cursos gratis. Hay de muchos tipos. Here at Spring Spanish, we have one for traveling and one for beginners. Los links para verlos están en la descripción. Other channels offer different styles. La idea es que te guste. And remember to actually do the activities that are suggested to you in the lessons that you take. Número 2. Otro tipo de canales. Pero hay otro tipo de canales que también te pueden ayudar mucho. If your Spanish is advanced or you already understand lots of it. Por ejemplo, canales de noticias en español. You can benefit from their proper Spanish narration and clarity of sound. Canales de tutoriales on specific subjects that you like. Pueden ser canales de cocina, de maquillaje, de proyectos hágalo usted mismo, lo que sea que disfrutes ver. Canales populares en países hispanoparlantes, like Luisito Comunica or Badaboom, where you can hear lots of informal Spanish. Canales de noticias satíricas, to stay in the know of what's happening in your Spanish-speaking community in a funny way and, to learn more about the internet culture of said community. En México, por ejemplo, es muy popular y muy gracioso el Deforma. Tip súper especial. No tengan miedo de usar la sección de comentarios a su favor. La sección de comentarios es muy poderosa. Just put yourself out there, write something, make a comment in Spanish. You'll be surprised of how many people will actually come and correct you for free. Let's try something. Why don't you leave a comment right now in Spanish and just see how the magic rolls. Número 3. El poder del karaoke. One of my favorite ways to learn a language is through songs. Checa el video que María Fernanda hizo sobre el tema aquí. The great thing about YouTube is that it has endless options for songs that you can sing along to. Let's do one together. Let's do a slow song. Antología de Shakira. Primero busco la letra en Google. Antología de Shakira. Letra. Para amarte necesito una razón y es difícil creer. I Googled the lyrics first because not all the times they put the lyrics on the YouTube description of a song or, in the actual video. Después escribo en la barra de búsqueda de YouTube. Busco antología de Shakira con letra. Con letra. A chunk that means with lyrics. See how in English the same concept is a plural word, lyrics. and in Spanish is a singular one. Letra. The thing is that concepts don't always translate smoothly. De español a inglés y viceversa. That's why at Spring Spanish we use chunks. Combinaciones de palabras que los hablantes nativos de un idioma usan todo el tiempo. Get your free copy with a list that has tons of super useful Spanish chunks in the link in the description. Número 4. Transfórmalo en español. Hay canales muy populares como Veritasium, que amo, que ya tienen su versión en español. So you can rewatch your favorite content, but now in Spanish. Since you already watched it, you know what the whole thing is about and you don't have to focus so much in what is being said, but on the way the things that you know are said in Spanish. For those channels that don't have their Spanish version yet, you can use this amazing tool. It's called Language Reactor, and you can use it on Netflix as well. It has a catalog of Spanish content para que selecciones lo que más te llame la atención. Language Reactor also has a Chrome plugin that allows you to have subtitles in 2 languages. También se puede dar clic a una palabra que no sepas y te la traduce de inmediato. Esto te puede ahorrar mucho tiempo. Now that you're ready to follow some more Spanish YouTube channels, go watch the next lesson because Maria Fernanda tells you all about it.